so many things has changed. 25 years ago when I started, it was different. I will advise it for every young student coming from school to try and to get yourself a career in this wonderful industry.
What I've learned the most from Michel is to be like open to people, and I think that's also the Greenspeed spirit. What we want to try to do is to make cleaning healthier for people and planet, and I think that's a good cause, and really looking forward to doing that together with all of our partners.